Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Dream Cars. In 2026, Chevrolet has unveiled a much anticipated Bible of the Chevrolet Corvair Monza Spyder, a car that has captured the hearts of enthusiasts for decades. The Monza Spyder, which originally made waves in the 1960s, has been reimagined for the modern era, blending retro charm with cutting-edge technology. This revival marks an exciting chapter for car enthusiasts and fans of Chevrolet's legacy, and it's sure to leave an indelible mark on automotive world. A nod to the past, the original Chevrolet Corvair Monza Spyder, introduced in 1962, was ahead of its time, featuring a rear-engine design in a distinctive look that set it apart from other American cars of the era. It was known for its unique style, sporty performance, and for pushing boundaries in the compact car segment. The 2026 model pays homage to this legacy while infusing it with modern engineering, performance and technology, design and styling. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Spyder carries forward many of the design cues that made the original so iconic. The rear-engine layout is retained, providing a distinctive silhouette and enhancing the car's handling dynamics. The sleek aerodynamic body incorporates a blend of retro lines with contemporary touches such as LED lighting, sculpted body panels and a modern grille. The signature rear-engine compartment, which was a hallmark of the original, has been redesigned to accommodate modern powertrains and improve aerodynamics. The Spyder badge, famously associated with the Corvair's high-performance models, prominently displayed on the rear to maintain the connection to the classic version. Inside, the cabin combines retro-inspired elements with modern tech. Expect a minimalist, driver-focused interior that incorporates premium materials and cutting-edge infotainment systems with features such as a fully digital dashboard, voice-controlled navigation and wireless charging. The 2026 Monza Spyder is as much about comfort and technology as it is about performance. Performance in powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Spyder offers a performance experience that aligns with modern standards. The engine, while maintaining the rear-engine layout of the original, has been significantly upgraded. It now goes to turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine capable of producing over 300 horsepower, a significant leap from the original's 150 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual or a precision-tuned automatic transmission. This engine delivers exceptional acceleration and responsive handling. The rear-engine layout, once a point of contention in the original Corvair, has been optimized with advanced suspension systems and a modern stability control system. The result is a car that feels nimble on tight corners, stable at high speeds, and thrilling on both urban streets and winding country roads. The addition of electric motor assist in certain models also offers an eco-friendly driving option, complementing the fuel efficiency of the turbocharged engine technology and safety features. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Spyder doesn't just nod to the past, it embraces the future. Chevrolet has equipped the car with the latest safety and tech features, advanced driver assistance systems such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking and a surround view camera system are standard. Additionally, the vehicle is equipped with the top-of-the-line infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with smartphones, offering both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Price and availability. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Spyder will likely be available in limited quantities, appealing to collectors and those looking for a unique blend of classic design in modern performance. Pricing is expected to start around $40,000, placing it in the mid-range of sports cars. Given its limited release, it is expected to garner attention from both automotive aficionados and nostalgic buyers who grew up. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Spyder is a remarkable homage to the original, capturing its essence while integrating the best of modern automotive technology. With its sleek design, thrilling performance and advanced features, it is sure to turn heads and reignite the passion for the 2026 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Spyder makes an exhilarating return, combining classic muscle car nostalgia with modern performance upgrades. With its iconic design and sleek curves, the Monza Spyder is a true revival of the legendary model, offering cutting-edge technology and a robust engine that delivers an unmatched driving experience. Enhanced handling, improved interior features, and modern safety tech elevate the Corvair Monza Spyder to a new level. Whether you're a collector or a muscle car enthusiast, the 2026 Corvair Monza Spyder is poised to make a powerful statement on the road. The Corvair name, whether you're a collector, a fan of vintage cars, or simply someone looking for an exciting ride, the Monza Spyder offers something truly special. It's an iconic name reborn for a new generation of drivers. Thanks for watching time, and don't forget, like, share and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars, and see you in the road.